things to do. And I really don't have it right now. But this one starts school already. I am after going to Boys Town, go try to pick up the Wi-Fi. I do have a Wi-Fi box. I do have a proper phone. So it's kind of hard for the schoolwork right now.
It's really hard, man. Really I go through it.
Because I have to be writing up the books.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
One team there. Gin.
Well cool,
Well cool.
Jai.
Love how the team member them there. I go and chill out with the gin as usual.
One team, let's see.
One team. Yeah.
You got 5 stars, see it.
See it there.
No, the thing already.
Comfy.
Yes, I am.
Why is it so wacky now?
That is right.
Cool man.
Right.
The gin pass on the button to you. And gin there go and maintain life. Sweet. You see me? Like potential kid say your sweet life like Zach and Cody. You see there? Man like Spraga.
Yeah, man.
God. And you know, so as I said once, the compressor come as well, you know, you see me say, no, so for kayak it as well, you see me, I say. Yeah, man, compressor is here.
Big up all the way.
Big up doing them, man. Big up all people, man.
Big up all the way to make it possible, man.
Yeah, man, yeah. Set tea and them thing that I go on with. You see me say, you know, the thing, we have to give thanks to the donor them all the time. So, we have some little donation. You know, the fans them chosen. And you have Prince. You know, Remy B.
Sexy B.
Sexy B.
Uma B.
Yeah. Remy B. Sexy B. So I must give Sexy B from Canada, so I must give $5,000 for you to buy some food.
Food, you know.
Yeah,
food to keep food up.
Yeah, count it, make sure say.
Big up myself, only for love, only for respect, only for time. We don't know if I talk so much, you know?
See it there.
Right, this
one. Everything go. I don't know you also have Talpi.
Straight up.
From where me be, Sexy B, $3,000.
Respect you, Sexy B. Only for love, you know. Yeah, one team, Jim. Straight up, Sexy B.
Yes, cheers. I don't know you have also have Gin. From where me be, Sexy B, up top $2,000.
I really like respect, blessings. Sexy B, only for respect and love for this. Hear that? Give thanks a lot, mama. You see me? I have protection, blessings. Yes, man.
I have
Up top.
Carl from Miss Brenda. She said, must tell us, must keep smiling because you have a lovely smile. You see Miss Brenda from the US. $2,000 for you to buy yourself a drink.
Give thanks, you know. I appreciate it. I keep the smile for you.
See you.
I know.
Nah,
I'm to smile. You see me? Leave the respect. I want to say I give thanks same way to all of the donors. Everybody You see me? We are going to do the same. I just appreciate everything.
Sure. Give thanks. And we also have Marvin from Miss Brenda.
Magic.
You see me? Marvin Morgan.
Magic.
$2,000.
One magic.
Miss Brenda.
Miss Brenda from the US.
Skid from the US. You don't really know. I hope I love we say. Blessed love. We always say love. Miss Brenda. And thank you again. Because it's kind of far away.
Yeah.
You understand? Love you. All the doing in the world. Blessed love to our boy. One thing. Straight. Yeah, man.
And you also have Wormy from Miss Brenda as well too, from the US. $2,000.
Miss Brenda, blessings, guidance, protection for you. Give thanks for your good donation. Blessings and love every time for all the donors, everyone.
More love.
Love and honor.
Yeah.
Thanks.
She also sent for them and Baja, but them are there today.
Yeah.
They don't know, so them on the road. And she say her favorite, Tall P. Brenda say, oh, Tall P, I'm my favorite. You see me? Brenda. $4,000
One team.
Dream team. Anyway,
Them don't thief a laugh there. I'm buried. Don't thief it. Pay boy again.
we also have liquor. $2,000 from Miss Brenda from the US.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, Miss Brenda. More love, more peace, and Father God bless your basket and it never empty now. Bless the dream team and bless the donor them also.
One team.
So you don't know as we say we're there, we're going to sign out. Because we have on the road for go Chadan. You see me? So we give thanks to the donor them as the usual.
Bless
You see me? Every time.
One team.
All subscriber. All who tell a friend, blessings, same way.
Same.
All who watch.
Yeah.
It's blessings, protection, everybody, every people, every human being, blessings.
Give thanks. Grandpa G.
Yeah, man, it's a good look, brother.
That's good look.
Listen to everybody, respect, honor every time. Finally, you know? Kingston finally finish everything up.
Yeah.
So we give thanks to all I do and I say, more for love and respect. See me, so. Yeah, man, one team, man. Yeah, dream team. Really.
Oh, go on, everything alright?
Yes, so far.
Yeah, go on, fight the struggle, see you, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, because we're there, man, and we reach out to the people, them. Yeah, man, so the people, them kind of reach out, you know? And fix up your sign. Can we talk to the builder as well, too? And then, man, make me know, say, you never have no bathroom and a toilet as well, too. So, we reach out to the door, them as well too, and make them can contribute towards that, so you can have a bathroom and toilet. Because we realize you never have none. Like you may tell me, say right out the materials and things what we ever need. So you know after a while now we will check up and find out how much everything will come up to. So we can get the thing them sorted out for you. We can have a better living condition. You understand? So a lot of people call me, so they're going to reach out towards their calls. Because it really touch them for them to see the condition we are live through. You understand? Because with the 3 kids them. You know? And them say, yo, see the people, them say feel for me. But they come and say, yo, Kino look what they look like you. So I'm a little Kino that then. A little Kino. So I'm come run the foundation when you get bigger. So I'm come continue the footsteps. What you say?
Continue the journey.
You want to come continue and help out the people that need. Yeah, because now two donation fee as well, because I say people will reach out more towards the cause and then towards the material. So we have Roxanne Divine from USA. Hold on, be in the phone. This is Roxanne Divine from the USA, $12,000. Just count it. That's from Roxanne Divine from USA.
Thanks a lot, Roxanne, for the help, and may God continue to bless you and guide you all the days of your life.
Yeah, so that's towards the material. And you also have G-Man from Canada towards the material, $15,000. Count them. From G-Man from Canada.
Thanks, G-Man from Canada. May God continue to guide you and protect you. In the name of Jesus. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. As I myself, when I get the help for you, because when I say, it really touched me, even when I sit down and I edit it, it's in me, my eyes were full of tears. It's in me when I say, I see the condition where I live through, plus with the kids them, you know. And I say, why, and just to see why they're really strong, the way I do as well too. I understand, so people them definitely will reach out towards the cause. So the big line I do today, so I'm come tell which part you can put the bathroom on the toilet, where you can get it. You can tell with the material and everything that we need. We're going to need as well too. I jump on the phone, so I just bring them got the hardware and make them give you an estimate price, everything that comes to. Yeah, so we can just continue. So let's wait more, even the people them reach out, so we can get back to you as well too. Yeah, as I say, your prayers are work, you know, because the help will come.
Always pray. Always pray. Not for only me, but for others also.
Yeah.
And as for you, thank you so much for what you have done to let other people reaching out to me.
Yeah.
And may God continue to guide and bless you as well.
Yeah, man. Only for respect.
And all the Dream Team members.
Yeah. We're there for you, man, you understand? We're definitely there for you. Yeah, so let's go on with the faith, see you, man.
Just go and hold it, I'm not let go.
Yeah.
Nah, let go. But I'm around 2-year-old.
You living here, so?
Before that.
Before that, man, Latisha.
Now I talk with him from them time there. And I'm around 2 or before 2.
Yeah. Yeah, because as I say, me never know say I was a bathroom. I will basically a toilet. And then you know, over here say they stay the condition of this.
Very
dirty and rank and everything.
Look like something. Everything was nastiness over here. So start clean it up like it look like something.
Yeah. I really like that as well, you know. You never give up.
Not giving up.
You never tell
When
yourself.
you can't give up.
You can't give up.
Once you have life, there is hope.
Yeah.
Not at all.
And you have them to live for. So it's you're a prime example. You understand? So that's why your blessing will definitely reach out. So you never stop. You have juice in there and water?
Yeah. Pepsi, Ocean Spray, ginger beer, cola, Buster.
I wouldn't want liquor. More water. You want cash, man?
Take a juice.
You want liquor?
The Ocean Spray.
One Ocean Spray, you want one?
Ocean and Ocean Spray.
Purple one.
But I want to do the ice cream.
I like the hustler. I wish I come to now. 540. No, you do well in a school, you know, youth. Quick. Yeah, quick, you know. What you see me there, man? It's very quick, you know, right? See it here, young and counter. Young Kino. Even though say, everybody keep on a comment, Kino, him look like you, you know.
Can take care of him.
Yeah, man. I gotta adapt him.
I take care of him.
Yeah. I'm taking people like my own. Definitely. But mommy, the blessings are reach out, man. I understand now. As I said, the team there for you. Yeah. And the world I got there for you too as well. To do one of them, I'm going to reach out and see that the condition is right. You understand? Because as I say, I can show them again. Yeah, it's not a joke, Liberty. The Liberty we share live. And here is so hot. 3 kids. Yeah, alone in here, so you understand? And here it's hot. And this alone have the light. Yeah, rough, you know? 3 kids. Yeah, alone right now. So I set it up, man. Cause I'm saying I get a window. I think I 3 windows I'm going to put in as well to try to see if we can extend the space.
And the old bathroom that choke up.
Oh, that choke up. So that can condemn.
Yeah.
So the public.
Lock up this and turn it like closet or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this can work with you. Work off and lick off this. Just make it a teen now.
So build a window for the man. She need more space, you know, so.
Yeah, she needs space.
Space I got need.
Like gone. You're not supposed to.
More than act like a woman.
Yeah, man. Nothing no escape, you know. So there's no room for anything escape.
School supply, we go and help them with them schoolwork right now.
Yeah.
Them have online class,
Yeah.
and they have the things that they need.
Yeah. Like what them need.
Them like can get a tablet.
Okay.
For the 2 boys and the girl would need like a laptop. And
Okay.
she have go to nursing school.
Yeah,
she got more things to do.
Yeah.
And I really don't have it right now.
Yeah.
As this one starts school already. And I must be going up Whitestone to try to pick up the Wi-Fi. I do have a Wi-Fi box. I do have a proper phone. So it's kind of hard for the schoolwork right now.
Yeah. It's really hard, man. Really I go through it.
Because I have to be writing out the works.
Okay.
I have to be writing them out, trying to rewrite them because the phone is jumping and when them send the work it's fine.
Yeah.
So you can't. So I have to be writing and let it be rewriting.
Yeah, tablet better can do it online.
Online.
I know. Struggling. Young kid, I work, man, everything I got right, yeah? Everything I got right, man. I tell them, because now like this, I can feel the heat already. The heat and kick up. The heat and kick up. Hot. Not even fun. Nothing can help me as I
Turn on a index. Wall fan. Must be a wall fan.
So when I reach back to you again to here, I continue the journey and everything. Yeah?
Big up again, donors, and may God continue to bless you guys. I don't know you. I don't know if I can know you one day.
Definitely.
Only God can tell.
Yeah.
Love and big up, more life, respect, guidance to you all.
Alright then, God bless.
Big up the dream team as well.
Thank you.
Yeah. Abigail.
Girl.
Everything alright, good day. You can put up your mask if you want. And you're ready to have.
Good man.
Everything alright though. How was the funeral?
So it was okay.
Yeah.
Should get our people them come out.
Yeah. Everything alright and thing. We'll have to know so at least now we get past that stage. You know, we can try to move and save, you know. Give thanks to the Almighty. Kids are not there today.
No.
Yeah, them apart.
No. And the one.
And the one. I'm not some donation for you as well, so. You hand them out. towards the kids them. The kids them back to school. Everybody with them send, them try to contribute towards the kids them. You understand? Because you do hard work and people don't try to support you and the kids them. Because the mommy is not here and you take up a little responsibility. Plus you have your kids as well too. The people them really feel the story. Them try and make sure them reach out to you and the kids them. I understand them back to school and things. So we have the Reese family from Guyana. There's the Reese family from Guyana in the USA. $9,000. The Reese family.
Thank you very much, the Reese family. God bless you also.
Yeah, God bless you for the Reese family from Guyana, living in the US. And you also have Jean. It's Jean from the US. Towards the kids them, $15,000.
Miss G, God bless you also from the US. Thank you very much.
Yeah. I have also Steve from Manchester. They're living in New York. They got us in New York. So Steve from Manchester. Living in New York, $10,000.
Thank you very much, Steve from New York. God bless you.
Yeah. And also, we have Stacy from the UK. $11,000 from Stacy from the UK.
Thank you very much, Stacy from UK. God bless you also.
Yeah. And also Susie. So Susie from Connecticut. Susie from Connecticut, $2,000.
Thank you very much, Susie from Connecticut. God bless you. God bless you, all of the donors them. And thank you very much for the you put in a very good work for the mother children them, and I appreciate it a lot. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it. Bless.
Yeah man, because I'm say truly touch the people them to know so what really happened, and them at a young age as well too. So they might try their best they can get the support for them as much. You understand? Because they don't only really stop. And somebody call you, they call you already, so they call you every month.
Yeah, them call.
I think that the Magdalenes.
Yeah,
the Magdalenes family. So we have to bless up the Magdalenes family. Yeah, and give thanks to them for them support. Yeah, and hope them continue support the right through. And that's because they really gonna need the help. You just say you don't want to start out to look at business and things, they don't take. So hopefully the one of them can consider that as well to say they can work with business. For one time them can't afford to send them donation, at least they can't something they can go and do for the time being. Because they need it. Can you tell me say you start up a YouTube channel as well too, don't you?
Yeah, I start a YouTube channel for the kids them, you know. Them the woman, them love it because them always watch YouTubers, so them tell me to start it and I just build it for them. So I like to go over there and subscribe to them channel. It called the Morgan family.
Yeah, people so you can go and
so the Morgan is stand for my mother. So just call it the Morgan family.
Yeah. The people so you can go over there and subscribe to the Morgan family. You understand? So at least you can help towards them cause see me for the kids them are the future. And it's good for them can start something from now, you know? So that is nice. Go on with the faith see me and go and pray.
Yes,
you know
that's what I do all.
Big up the donor them once more.
Yes, bless up the donors them. Pray to God bless in a basket. You understand?
Yeah.
Just give thanks for more life and enough success.
Yeah. And blessings to Maida as well too.
Maida, yes.
Come through over there with the support as well too.
I appreciate it a lot, Maida.
Yeah. I'm saying more people are continuing to reach out to, you know. You understand? Because them there for you know. Them just there just for today, next week or next month. So them there in on the life. Once me have breath in my body, I'm gonna always soon you know say your life is maintained and taken care of. You understand?
Yeah.
And your mother there watch over you. You understand? So every move when you make mommy there smile. Yeah, big up yourself, Josephine. You know she there even see you. Yeah, see you. You know she in a better place right now. Just keep a smile upon your face and keep it, right? That's what I'm praying. So until then, right?
Yeah, and bless you also.
Yeah, so big up the donors them once more.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.